Hello friends, welcome back to our class. My name is Kausalya Krishnamurthy. In the past episodes, we have covered about 30 problems based on number system. In today's episode, let us learn few more problems based on number system. And remember, the more you practice, the better it is for you. So keep watching our video and then keep practicing. Come, let us solve some new problems. In today's episode, we are going to solve few more problems based on number system. Let us see the question what we've got. A number when divided by 114 leaves a remainder 21. If the same number is divided by 19, find the remainder. Now we got four options. Option A 2, option B 21, option C 0, option D 17. Now it is first very important that you know these terms. So this is dividend, this is divisor, this is quotient, and this will be remainder. For example, just take 11 and you divide it by 3 or you divide it by 4. So 4 2's 8, you are left with 3. Now here 4 is divisor, 11 is dividend, 2 is quotient and 3 is remainder. So here what is 11? It is 4 into 2 plus 3, which means dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So now what have they asked in the question? A number when divided by 114, which means here there is a number, let's call it as n. So dividend n is divided by 114. So here divisor is 114, leaves a remainder 21. So they have not given us the quotient, so let's call it as q, and you got a remainder which is 21. Now if the same number is divided by 19, find the remainder. So if the same number is divided by 19, you have to find the remainder. This is the question. Now, how can we write this number? How can we write n? N will be 114 into q plus 21. And they said the same number is divided by 19. So, n is divided by 19. What is n? N is 114 into q plus 21, which will be divided by 19. Now, how can we write this? This can be written as 114 into q divided by 19 plus 21 divided by 19. Now, 19 6 are 114. So, this is 6q plus 21 by 19. So, here we have 6q plus 21 divided by 19. Is 21 the remainder? No, because 21 is still divisible by 19. And if you divide 21 by 19, you get 1 and then the remainder will be 2. Right? So, the remainder is 2. Here the option A is the correct answer. So, this type of questions will often come in competitive exam. So, you keep watching this video and keep practicing. The more you practice, better it is for you. Let's see the next question. The sum of 4 consecutive even numbers A, B, C and D is 180. What is the sum of the set of next 4 consecutive even numbers? Now, they have told sum of the 4 consecutive even numbers A, B, C, D. So, we can write it as A plus 2 plus A plus 4 plus A plus 6. Right? Because it is consecutive even numbers. Now, this sum is equal to 180. Now, the question is, what is the sum of the set of next 4 consecutive even numbers? So, it will be, so how can you do this? You first find out A out of this and then you can do the next set of consecutive even number sum. However, we will not waste our time finding out the value of A. Instead, so we can do like this. So they have given next consecutive even numbers. So this will be A plus 8 plus A plus 10 plus A plus 12 plus A plus 14, right? Now, what is the difference? Here we have got 8 added. Similarly, here also 8 added and 8 added. So now this is 32, right? So it is 180 plus 32, which is 2. So 180 plus 32 is 212. So option C is the correct answer. Now if you have taken the A value, it's easy to find out A value here using this expression. However, you will waste a lot of time. So this is a better method to save your time. Now let's see the third question. 7 is added to a certain number. The sum is multiplied by 5. The product is divided by 9. And 3 is subtracted from the quotient. Thus, if the remainder left is 12, what was the original number? And we got 4 options: 20, 30, 40 and 60. This question has come in one of the previous year exam. Now what would you generally do? You take all the numbers and try all these methods, like 20 is added to 7, then you multiply it with 5, then you divide it by 9, then 3 is subtracted, then you get 12. This way you end up doing it for all the 4 options. However, that's not the way to do it. Now here they say 7 is added to a certain number. Let that certain number be x. So it will be 7 plus x into 5 divided by 9, then subtract 3 and then you get remainder 12. Now let us simplify this to get the answer. So this will be x plus 7 into 5 by 9. Shift this 3 this side. So you have 12 plus 3, right? Now this will be x plus 7 into 5 divided by 9, which is equal to 12 plus 3, which is 15. 5 3s 15. 9 into 3 is 27. So x plus 7 is equal to 27. Now x is equal to 27 divided by 7. Here x plus 7 is 27. What do we need? We need only the value of x. So what do? You subtract 7 on both the sides, right? Now minus 7 plus 7 gets cancelled. 27 minus 7 is 20. So x is equal to 20. So here option A is the right answer. So just in case if you don't know how to form this equation and find out the answer, you can always check for the right answer using these values given in the option. So friends, in today's episode we have solved 3 more problems based on number system. I hope you all liked the video and understood the problems. They were all very interesting. I love maths and I love solving these problems based on number system. Keep practicing and keep watching us, and we will come back to you with more interesting methods and more interesting questions in the coming episode. Until then, keep watching us. Thank you.